Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome back to this channel. So today I received this new product from Google. It is the Pixel 4a. It has been launched I think in about less than 24 hours ago. I just got it a few hours ago. I'm here to unbox it with you. So without further ado, let me open up the box. By the way, I also got the Pixel 4a case as a review set. So I'll open it up later, but then let me put it to one side. So this Pixel 4a is actually a non 5G phone. It has a 5.8-inch screen, and it will be under pre-order from now, and I believe you can get it from 10th of September, and the price for this is Singapore dollar $499. So let me open it up.
A few moments later.
I think Google has given the thoughts how to open this up, so I just need to pull and don't need to cut. And let me close this. Okay, that is it. This is the Google Pixel 4a. So this is the successor of the Pixel 3a. It's an entry-level phone, and as mentioned, it has a 5.81-inch screen, and it has just one rear camera and one front camera. I go about that later, but then right now let's see what's inside this box. Okay. The cable is a USB-C, and also do note that this is both sides are USB-C, so that means this is a USB-C charger, 18-watt charger, and it has a adapter. I believe this is an adapter. So this is a USB-C to USB-A adapter, so you can actually use it if you need. Let me see how to take it out.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is the adapter, USB-C to USB-A. Okay, that is about it inside this box. It's very simple. Okay, it comes with the pin for you to extract out the nano SIM card, and I believe it also comes with eSIM, whereby you can activate without the physical SIM cards. You can use eSIM. So if your service provider has eSIM, you can use it. So just to let you know, this device has a 3140 mega ampere battery, and it is quite thin. If I'm not wrong, it's 8.2 mm thin. And let me see, the rear camera is actually 12.2 megapixel, and the front camera is actually 8 megapixel. So let me open it out. Let me open this. Okay, so this is the device. It's called Just Black. Yes, there's only one color. It's called Just Black. So it's under pre-order now at the Google store, or at certain stores like the Challenger, Courts. So I'll put the link somewhere in the video, so that you can actually click on it. And so before I power on this device, let us see the cover. This is the Pixel 4a case. So this case is made of recycled material, yes, it costs 60 Singapore dollar to get this casing. So I will open it up also to let you see what is inside. Let me see. Yeah. I love the texture of this kind of casing. It's really rugged. I don't know whether you can see from this video. Let me zoom in. Yeah, this is the Pixel 4a casing that costs $60. A very simple design, which I think is very nice. So let me go back to the main, the phone itself, and let me power on. Okay, power on. So while powering on, maybe I'd like to show you, it has a USB-C port. I believe these are the speaker grill, and surprise it has the 3.5 mm jack. Okay, so if you are in love with your 3.5 mm headphone jack, this will have the 3.5 mm headphone jack. And I believe this is also the fingerprint sensor. It's very light, super light I should say, because I'm used to holding on to heavier phone, so this feel very light. And it has an internal RAM of 6 gig RAM, and it has 128 gigabyte of storage. Let me see what else I missed out. It's using a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730. Okay, it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, English version, etc. Okay, I don't have the mobile SIM card. Okay, let me connect to my network. Okay, connected, checking for updates.
A few moments later.
Okay, let me sign into my Google account so that I have the seamless connection to my account. Okay, just give me a minute whereby I sign into my account. Okay, unlock with Pixel Imprint. Okay, I'm going to do that. So as you can see, the sensor is at the back, so I'm supposed to touch the sensor. So let me just touch the sensor. Okay, let you see. Oh, it's added. Okay, connecting. Okay, good job. No thanks. No thanks. Okay, that's it. Let me see. Okay, there's quite a number of things to update here. So let me update first and I'll talk to you again. Okay, one last thing I want to show you is this SIM card slot. It is hidden here, very small one. Is a nano SIM slot. So you need to use the pin to get this slot out. I'm not going to show it now because I don't have the pin with me. So that is it for this Pixel 4a first look. And let me use this cover. Yeah, it fits nicely into this cover, and this cover is just black. Okay, it's the same as the cover for the Pixel 4a. So that is it. I hope you enjoy this first look video of this Google Pixel 4a. If you like, please subscribe to this channel so that I can continue to show you more products. That is it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.